So the wait is over, we can finally get going. Welcome to everybody who has joined us for this unmissable game. Hugely anticipated, hugely hyped, undoubtedly the place to be at this moment in time. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. The action has already started. Van Dijk makes the interception. Guerrero. Kimmich. And it's De Bruyne. Over to the left. Oh, important interception. Ronaldo gives his colleague a guilty look.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Now it's Mohamed Salah. Caught offside that time.
Niceties are not part of this approach. This is actually quite aggressive.
And it's Neymar. De Bruyne. He's played him through here. Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, surely that deserved better.
Cristiano Ronaldo deserves a lot of credit for his willingness to make those runs. The passers will always have an option with him.
And he skips past his man. Final ball not quite right, and his teammates are irritated at that. Lewandowski, and that's not going to reach. Lewandowski is flagged offside. Stands up to him well and emerges with the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Messi. Referee's had a good look and given a corner. And that's asking too much of anyone and everyone. And now they can spring out of defence. Kimmich picks it up from the goal kick. João Cancelo. And here's the chance to counter. And here's Mohamed Salah. And the shot! And he's there to make a great save.
Lewandowski sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And he's done it!
After 29 minutes is number 21, Mohamed Salah! Mohamed Salah! Mohamed Salah!
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
And it's Neymar. And that has left him in a heap. And he's running through. Lovely ball into space. And he's lost his man here. Great hit! Sticks it away! And they're at it again in double quick time. And that really is so impressive.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
After 37 minutes is...
So that's
Number
2 now
9.
without reply.
Well,
Robert
unsurprisingly,
Lewandowski.
Peter, the opposition look completely
Robert
stunned.
Lewandowski.
I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Robert
Salah.
Lewandowski.
The danger is cut out. Shifted upfield. De Bruyne knocks it out wide. Lorenzo Insigne. Towering header! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Oh, that's a
Two added minutes
sparkling
has been
save.
indicated.
Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Now the finish! And it's there! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them.
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Number
And
17.
we've reached half-time. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes, but one thing that cannot be said is that it's dull. One-sided, yes, but packed with excitement.
Just a quick announcement, and an exciting one too. We're about to announce today's lottery numbers. Please watch the screen if you have a ticket.
Here we go again. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Oh, and he's broken the line here. Modric. For De Bruyne. Mohamed Salah. Poor pass that, sloppy. Guerrero. It's Kimmich, and it's De Bruyne.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
De Jong. Lorenzo Insigne. Now it's Lewandowski.
The attendance for this match was 71,649.
Move forward and quickly so. Salah. Modric. Mohamed Salah in acres of space out wide. Oh, the ball's come loose here. No, again there's no way through. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. De Bruyne, who has made his impact already. Played back in. De Ligt spots it and intercepts. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
It's been intercepted and that will come to nothing. It's a good ball and he could be in. No, that's been intercepted. Modric. Mateus. Lewandowski unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Well timed, excellent interception. Defenders on the back foot. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending and they got away with it.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Well read, nice interception. And he's found the run. Azpilicueta does really well to win the ball there. And there goes the final whistle. Out-muscled, out-manoeuvred, outwitted. They just couldn't find any way into the game, and they are comprehensively beaten. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
And a quick
Well, look, it was
reminder
very
today,
one-sided.
everybody,
Their
to
players
make sure
didn't
to
turn
put
up for the
any
first
litter in
half,
the bins
and then
provided.
it all went
Thank you
downhill.
for your cooperation.
And that's where we have to end it. From me, Peter Drury, and my co-commentator, Jim Beglin. A very good evening to you all.